Ahoy! We're back out building this cross T-Rex. Today we're going to mount the transmission in the frame, and we're that much closer to a roller. Let me get you situated, show you what's going on. So I'll put up a picture of the drawing. Basically we're taking this plate, mounting the transmission to the plate, mounting the drive shafts, and then tying it all together. Okay, now that we have that, we can put the frame back on the table and drop this into the frame. Okay, this thing's so massive I had to shift some stuff around, but it looks like just sits in just like that. Now I wonder how we're going to get the drive shafts to connect. Should we do that beforehand? Well, I'll bolt it down and see what it looks like from above. Might have to unbolt it again. Okay, the plate's loosely bolted in. I'm going to flip it over and see if the drive shafts will bolt in the way it is, or if we have to take the plate back off and snake them in. Okay, with it flipped over, it does look like they put some access holes in it. So I'm going to turn it back over, tighten those screws down, then turn it back over and start working on getting the drive shafts in. Okay, looking at the instructions a little closer and looking at the drive shafts, they are a double slip yoke. So I can put one joint on the transmission before I put the transmission in. So I'm going to take this back out, put the joints on, and then we'll put it together. So what I'm going to do now is pull the shafts off, put a little dab of grease to help hold them in place, and then we'll bolt it back down again. I'm going to fiddle with this second drive shaft off camera. It's giving me some issues. When I get it, I'll show you where we're at. Okay guys, it looks like I did a stupid. Every differential is bolted in backwards. So I'm going to have to take some parts off, turn everything around, and then we'll have those drive shafts on. I'll show you when we're done. Alright guys, it turns out I'm only 40% as stupid as I thought I was. Let's get you down here. These two front differentials were backwards on the mounting plate, which made this differential or drive line too short. Once I reverse those, everything works as it should. Now when I turn the very rear, all the way up at the front turns. So all is good. Next step is some little brackets around the transmission and possibly a servo. we'll see when the mail gets here. Okay guys, the next step is braces for the transmission and a servo mount, and it's a lot of black on black, so it's going to be hard to see, so I'll just do it and show you at the end. I'll put up a picture right here somewhere what we're actually doing. Okay guys, mail came. I got my servo. This is the shifting servo. It's an AG FRC 55 kilogram servo. This is for the shifter. I'm still waiting for the steering servos. Okay guys, there we go. Servos in, transmissions in, braces are in, drive shafts are in. Next step, this comes back off the table and we do some CV shafts from each differential to each wheel. It's very close to being able to actually put the wheels on it. So this will come off the bench. We'll do that next one in another episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.